मैं तो डांस सीखूंगी। ओह ये कितने मजे करती पागल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, good evening my 36 subscribers. How are you guys? So today we are going to end the way. You can see it from there. So we just stopped for a quick pause and we were cycling here. So I decided to show you guys around. I'll add the clip for the metro, how you can come through metro. So you can see it's quite peaceful here. So we will go to the DMCC station and then we will walk all the way
यहाँ पे नहीं
here.
उतर सकते?
ये अलग है, this is tram.
तो यहाँ से इधर बैठ के इधर से इधर जाके इधर उतर जाए, फिर यहाँ से बैठ
यहाँ से रास्ता नहीं होगा ना, आगे बीच है.
यहाँ से उतरेंगे तो यहाँ से इधर आएंगे, फिर इधर
यार
आएंगे,
पुल, you are dumb. I cannot explain.
इधर से इधर
We
चुम्मी
will stick to we will stick to my plan. We'll go here and then we'll go by walk there.
यार मेरे
It's just this much. Not much. Not much. So this is the Marina Canal. There is JBR Marina and so many crews. Oh, so much गर्मी. बहुत ज़्यादा.
फ्रंट से तस्वीर भी बनानी है।
कौन सी?
फ्रंट मेरे आउटफिट की भाई।
I don't like it. We are waiting for the signal to open.
इस बार उनकी वीडियोस बना लेते हैं।
They were dancing but now they stopped.
फ्री स्टाइल कहते हैं इसको, डांस नहीं कहते।
मैं तो डांस सीखूंगी। ओह ये कितने मजे करती पागल। So much hurt me. Actually, I'm shooting a vlog after so many days. I got the hang of shooting vlogs, but then I forgot. So I feel like again it's my day first of making videos. So if we go to this side, it will be JBR. Our initial plan was to go to the end the way, which maybe I mentioned in my start of the video also. But as we took a break on the cycling part, now we will get late. So we'll just stop by this beach, JBR beach, and we will go back. We'll eat something and then we'll go back. Because it's still a 2 kilometers walk from here towards the end the way. By walk if you are coming by walk, so it's too much, it will take too much time. So here we are, the beach JBR, and it's also called the beach walk in this side. If you go, it's more of a tourist attraction place. I think they built this one new, it wasn't here before. So that's it. We'll go that side and I'll show you that side also. I think for end the way we have to cross this blah blah and behind this, or maybe this side, I'm not sure, but when I'll go there I'll make a video for that also. So here we are at the JBR beach. Here we are at the JBR beach. I hate that. I'll speak as I do speak normally. So we are here at the JBR beach. Some other time we'll go to the end of it. It's literally too hot, man. It's too hot. So it's the kids play area and it's too much for me to handle. And it's too much crowded. Maybe it's because today is a Sunday. वो वाला ब्रिज था जो मैं कह रही थी. हाँ. So we'll go from that bridge to And Bay. It will take directly to And Bay. So this is And Bay. We're not sure if it's moving or no. So you guys can guess. I think it's moving. Yeah, it's moving, buddy. वो देखो चल रहा है. मेरे ख्याल से चल रहा है. बहुत slow चल रहा है. For those who didn't know, And Bay was closed, but now it's open. We'll take pictures here and we'll leave. So this is JBR, and this is the beach. It's usually crowded because it's a tourism place, tourist spot. So it's like this all the time, especially in this good weather. It's not good weather today, but in coming days it will be good. So it will be crowded. मैं UAE में रहती हूँ, मैं today ही बोलूँगी. It's good weather today. Because I live with Arabi people. I work with Arabi people. People. I work with Arabi people. We'll just hang around for some time. That's maybe all. I'll let you know. So we are now leaving because the weather it's so much irritating. I don't know how people travel in this weather. I'm just so fed up with this. So we just had fun while cycling. So for the cycling, you can get the cycle for 20 dirhams from the Careem. It's 19 dirhams for any Careem stop, and you need to install the application. You need to add your card, and you need to make your payment from there. For 45 minutes, it's 19 dirhams, and if you exceed from 45 minutes, then it's I think 10 dirhams per 30 minutes. Yep, like that. So it was fun. The cycle part was fun. You can do the cycling around the beach also. It's good. It's a beach club here. Maybe one day when I'm rich, I'll go to a beach club. Maybe. That's it. We'll go to eat something, and then we'll go back. It's just me and my dragons. Two of my dragons. So we ate already, we took some pictures, videos, and now we are on our way back. We will go from here towards the tram, and then maybe we'll go towards the tram and then we'll take metro or we'll go directly. So here you can see the night view of JBR. That's And Bay. And again, this is the walk JBR. So from here, I'll just stop the vlog here because I'll just go to my room now. So that's it for today. Take care of yourselves till we meet next time in another vlog. You can see the whole And Bay, and it's open. If you guys wanna come, you can come. And make for it also one day a vlog for the And Bay as well. So coming to the JBR is quite easy. You can come through the metro as well. You'll stop. You'll take off at the DMCC, and then you can come by walk also, or you can take the tram also. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Hi.
Bye.
नहीं आपके subscribers कितने हैं?
36.
Hi, 36 subscribers of Maniba Jannat. I am RK Khalil. क्या था मेरी ID? RK Khalil 2.
पैसे दो पहले.
Follow me on TikTok. Hi.
चलो, bye.